Shall we find it?
Yes, dear. But it won't be easy. Get ready for an adventure.
Alive!
I am a magical book. Whoever reads me. Come on, sweetheart. Let's go on an adventure.
What is that, Mama? Look! It's glowing!
Why is the corn moving?
This chocolate is moving!
Hello.
Dear, get ready. This is going to be fun.
Hello! I am the magical chocolate. Whoever catches me will get both sweet delight and laughter.
Now I will teach you both a funny chocolate dance. Look at it go!
Oh, it's so funny.